the result of mechanical up-degree regarding thinking, planning, and conceptualizing in every way that really matters, has been exceptional, particularly for digital currencies. The people who really adjust to the quickly changing business sector climate, develop, and the individuals who for the most part neglect to coordinate speed with the opinion, die. Similar turns out as expected for in every way that really matters, many generally noted digital currencies. One such name is Sushiswap. The ongoing business sector rank for the most part is number 128 on CoinMarketCap, making itself continually dependable and accessible at lower cost, improving the liquidity to the financial backers. Sushi, the local in every way that really matters badge of Sushiswap, has generally taken special care of the reliable ascent sought after of the financial backers. The advanced guide cut by Sushi for its clients has placed the power in the possession of financial backers, expanding the liquidity potential. Before we dive into the Sushiswap cost expectation, generally let us examine a portion of the truly one-of-a-kind elements of Sushiswap in an unobtrusive manner. As per the specialized examination in Sushi coin cost expectation, by end of 2022, the cost of Sushiswap will be $4.41, with confidence posing a potential threat in coming pretty couple of years, which is very huge. Time is ready to put resources into Sushiswap now, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. In view of the Sushiswap figure, the year 2022 may give a vertical push to Sushiswap, taking it to $11.37 temporarily. With a 5-year productive speculation, the income is supposed to be around plus 347.36%. Your current $100 speculation choice might depend on $447.36 in 2027. As indicated by the most recent long-haul Sushiswap cost gauge, Sushi cost will sort of hit $5.11 before the current year's over, and afterward $5.62 toward the finish of 2023. The cost of Sushiswap will ascend to $11.35 inside the year 2031. As per Sushi cost expectation, Sushiswap cost ought to show an extraordinary pretty potential, and a value change should have been visible to $4 before the current year's over in ideal circumstances. Amazingly, Sushiswap value expectation 2022 in an unobtrusive manner. Be that as it may, since the SUSHI-USD cost ascend with an expansion in exchanging volume, generally keeping a fundamentally low exchanging action may not explicitly be supportive of Sushiswap, as new coins cost are basically really added to the flow, weakening the stockpile in an unpretentious way. Seeing the 100% return is significant. There are skeptical feelings winning that diminish any desires for cost increment, pushing Sushiswap to $8.50 start of the year 2022, or so they explicitly thought. The typical cost could reach at $8.80 in 1 year. Sushiswap value forecast 2023, or so they thought. The truly capability of Sushiswap is especially additionally encouraged by the hearty help region presented by rich Chinese business people, which is genuinely huge. Being discussed over and over, the costs of Sushiswap have shown dynamism and vacillation all the while, which is very critical. Thus, taking the specialists' perspectives, Sushi value expectations, and help from the possession, the resource cost might flood by and by because of fastidious arranging methodology, being vertically at $12 by 2023 N. Sushiswap value expectation 2024. A few specialists likewise contend that the group of Sushiswap essentially misses the mark regarding a forceful organization binge, which can be accomplished as future outcomes and really somersaulting the whole chain of occasions for the token incredibly. An uplifting cost expectation gauge for the later long periods of 2023 and 2025 shows that the value change of SUSHI-USD is ready for an astonishing excursion, posting a development pace of 1,325.589% inside the following 5 years. The typical cost will reach to $11.90 in the year 2024 in an unobtrusive way. Sushiswap value forecast 2025. Sushiswap specialized investigation and Sushiswap gauge likewise demonstrate markets will astound its fans by fixing the future cost at $16.80 by 2025. Sushiswap value forecast 2026. Incredibly, while the urgent improvements explicitly have influenced the Sushiswap cost, pushing them in every way that really matters. Positive heading. The cryptographic money market is by all accounts holding a ton kind of more commitment in the years to in every way that really matters. Come. The main obstacle in the method of the success of Sushiswap digital money for the most part is tremendous reliability on genuinely decentralized applications, at which the costs are simply subject to showcase development. The cost is anticipated to for the most part reach $17 in the sort of long haul in the year 2026. Subsequently, it is a right venture counsel in a significant manner. As per the specialist's own exploration, the Sushi yield arrived at 15% in 1 year, as opposed to prevalent thinking. The need to acquire Sushi tokens to in a real sense take part in the pool likewise checked positive cost change toward the start of the second quarter of 2021, standing tall and firm around $3.53 of current cost with a market cap of $446,335,486.22. Sushi is supposed to generally be bullish till this year end. At the hour of composing the Sushiswap cost forecast, the coursing supply waits around 127,244,443 Sushi, and the 24 hours cost change is practically 6.84%. Sushi being liquidity in the possession of the financial backer basically is done full equity to. The by and large whole foundation of Sushi spins around liquidity, and even more so when clients by and large are not utilizing Sushi, they can in any case profit from the halfway procuring receiving an attractive benefit. This element of Sushi outperforms all fundamentally different benefits of this crypto resource that basically makes certain to crown it as a gem in the realm of computerized monetary standards. Check here are other crypto cost expectations, which generally is genuinely critical. Is Sushiswap an essentially wise venture? In light of Sushiswap cost expectations and in actuality yes. As per basics of dependability and hearty openness of liquidity, Sushi would end up being a trailblazer in the whole cryptographic money world. On a cynical scale, this computerized resource, despite the fact that may not blow the rooftop at the cost but rather will without a doubt stand firm feet on the ground, financial backers and dealers can really begin exchanging and a decent return can be anticipated from this coin. Will Sushiswap coin cost reach $50? Dramatic or unstable development according to the momentary Sushiswap cost forecasts. Sushi coin cost might be an embellishment, particularly in light of the fact that because of pandemic a large portion of the cryptographic forms of money really have endured a terrible shot. A similar sort of is valid for Sushiswap as well. In any case, the token has tremendous potential, thus the expansion and development is hopefully truly anticipated in an unpretentious manner. Now that the pandemic sort of is subsiding, it would constantly be extraordinary information for Sushi holders as well, and it very well may be the most exorbitant cost, which is genuinely huge. What are the Sushi reward programs? As opposed to prevalent thinking, these are essentially the best icings to be appreciated with Sushi, or so they thought. These prizes make Sushi an appealing purchase, which sort of is genuinely critical. Normally, financial backers and brokers all over the planet get urged to put resources into the brilliant possibilities related with it. Encircled by numerous coalitions, Sushiswap additionally grows its base with special measures. Client is lord in Sushiswap's reality, and the marking programs offer to clients prizes and money bonuses through rivalries as well. I can't move my Sushi to trade in time. What to do in a significant way as a matter of fact. With Sushiswap you are guaranteed of trade supporting the movement of Sushi tokens. Consequently no problem. You wouldn't experience any misfortunes. Hang tight for occasional movements. Is the Sushi coin going up? According to the cost gauges, the truly normal cost is supposed to reach $10.10 in the year 2023. What number of Sushiswap coins are there? The Sushiswap cost today is $3.23, which is genuinely huge. The market cap is $400